So first we're gonna fry some gingers. Now we're gonna put chicken drumstick in. You can use chicken wings too. Now we can put 3 cups or 4 cups of Coca-Cola in. Now we're gonna put some green onion in. Okay, 3 tablespoons of sugars in. One spoon of salt. Put it in and then boil. You can use medium heat or you can use high heat, doesn't matter. Okay, now I'm gonna go get some soy sauce because I like soy sauce a little bit. And then I'm going to get the dark soy sauce for the color. Just a little bit for the color. So here we go, look at that, it's all like reddish brown color. It's really good. That's it, look at this.